Hi everyone, today I have got a very interesting craft for our little ones. 4 to 8-year-old kids will definitely enjoy it. For that you need a sheet approx 12 inches by 8 inches in size, tricolor ribbons, these are the satin ribbons easily available in market, poster paints, Fevicol, a hole puncture. To buy this, the link is given in the description box, water and brushes. Now let's get started. Draw a flag over the sheet. Help kids in drawing the lines and the Ashok Chakra in the center and paint the flag using the poster paints, top saffron color, then the green color. Guide them to paint in one direction slowly, neatly and cover all the white spaces properly. The younger ones can use oil pastels instead of poster paints if that is easier for them. Once the painting is done, leave it to dry completely. Now turn it on the other side and at the lower end we are going to stick the ribbons like strings all over the base of the flag we have painted. Now roll the base into a cylinder form like this and staple the two ends on the top and at the base so that it takes a shape of a cylinder. Now punch two holes on the top like this and tie a ribbon around it to make a holder. And your windsock is ready. This is our Republic Day special windsock. Kids love playing with it. It sways with the wind when kids run along with it. It's a great fun activity and kids love it. If you like our activities, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and discover the joy of creating. See you again.